Okay, students. During the last video, we have seen about the autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Now our next point is autotrophic plants. What is the meaning of autotrophic? The meaning we know, auto means self. Trophic means production of the food. The plants who produce their food on their own are called as autotrophic plants. Okay. Now, can you tell? A question is there one. How do plants produce their own food? Do you know this? This you have learned in 6th standard already. This is taught in 6th standard. How plants produce their own food? Plants produce their own food with the help of sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air, sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water, minerals, and salt from the soil. Means roots absorb the water, minerals, and salt from the soil, carry it to the leaves. Then leaves absorb carbon dioxide from the air, and in the presence of sunlight, the process of photosynthesis takes place. Okay, and that process of photosynthesis is nothing but for the process of producing food. In this way, food is prepared in plants. This we have learned in standard 6th. Okay, what is given in the next column? Plants also need food for their growth. They can produce their own food. With the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, plants make their food in their leaves using water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. This process is called as photosynthesis. Just now, as I explained, the roots absorb the water and minerals from the air. In diagram it is given, the roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil. Okay, and then through stem they are carried to the leaves. Okay, the leaves are green in color, we know it. Why they are green in color? Because they have got chlorophyll pigments in them. इनके अंदर क्या होता है? क्लोरोप्लास्ट होता है. क्लोरोप्लास्ट के अंदर chlorophyll pigments होते हैं. That we will see it. Okay, इसके अंदर जो क्लोरोफिल होता है, वो क्लोरोफिल क्या करता है? It absorbs carbon dioxide from the air, and in the presence of sunlight, these leaves produce food. Okay, in this way, the process of production of food is going on, and this process is called as photosynthesis. Okay, कैसे reaction होती है? Now see, carbon dioxide which is absorbed from air plus water, mineral salts which are absorbed from the soil. Okay, what is the formula for carbon dioxide? CO2. So 6 molecules of CO2 plus 6 molecules of H2O means water. Okay, and then arrow is shown, means here the process goes on in the presence of sunlight and it is completed by chlorophyll. Okay, sunlight की presence में और chlorophyll complete करता है. तो लास्ट में उस प्रोसेस का प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलता है? फूड. ओके, दैट इज ग्लूकोज. ओके, फूड तैयार होता है यानी क्या होता है? ग्लूकोज तैयार होता है. इवन इन आवर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आल्सो, ह्यूमन बॉडी आल्सो सेम थिंग इज देयर. द फूड इज एब्सॉर्ब्ड मींस व्हाट इज एब्सॉर्ब्ड बाय द इंटेस्टाइन? ग्लूकोज इज एब्सॉर्ब्ड. ओके, and plus oxygen is given out by the plants. Often we say that how oxygen is given, then oxygen is given out by the plants because of this process. Okay, food is given out food is prepared in the form of glucose. Means what is the formula for glucose? C6H12NO6. कार्बन के 6 एटम, हाइड्रोजन के 12 एटम्स एंड ऑक्सीजन के 6 एटम्स. ऐसा मिलकर ये बनता है ग्लूकोज का एक एटम. ओके, एंड 6 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, 6O2. In this way, oxygen is given out by the plant, and this total it is mentioned in this diagram. Okay, we go to the next page. What is given in the on the next page? Plants convert light energy into chemical energy and store it in the form of food. ये जो plants होते हैं, plants क्या करते हैं? They absorb the light energy. Sun की whatever the light energy absorbed from the sun. Okay, means what? During the process of photosynthesis, the plants absorb the light energy, and with the help of minerals, waters, okay, carbon dioxide and all these, okay, it converts this light energy into chemical energy. And this chemical energy is only nothing but the food, and it is stored in the form of food. तो कहाँ store होती है? That we will see. Maybe in the form of fruits, or it is used for growth of the plant. Okay, like this way. But here important point is plants use light energy, converts into chemical energy. That chemical energy is stored in the form of food. Okay. That we were discussing that about the chloroplast. These are the chloroplast. These are the packs of chloroplast. किसके अंदर होते हैं? लीव्स के अंदर इतना सारा होता है. And this chloroplast only plays very important role of production of food in the leaves. Come to our paragraph. Water, minerals and salts are absorbed by roots from the soil. The stem transports them to the leaves. The leaves have microscopic openings called stomata, through which they take in carbon dioxide. CO2 means carbon dioxide from the air. The chloroplast present in the leaves contain chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight, helping to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. Oxygen is given out in this process. कैसी होती है photosynthesis की process? As I explained earlier, that water, mineral and salt, these are absorbed by the roots and they are sent by the stem to the leaves. Okay. Then ये leaves का क्या है? Leaves have got small openings. उनको अगर देखा तो उसके साइड में जो होता है leaves का, okay, साइड में उसके छोटे छोटे holes होते हैं. Okay, those holes are called as stomata. Okay, these leaves or from these openings they absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Okay, and then the chloroplast, here in the picture it is shown chloroplast. The chloroplast which is present in the leaves, उसके अंदर क्या होता है? Chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll pigments होती है. Okay, this chlorophyll it absorbs sunlight. ये chlorophyll का काम क्या है? To absorb sunlight and help to convert carbon dioxide and water. तो उसको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वाटर को किस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड. ओके, देखो पूरी प्रोसेस वंस अगेन आई विल रिवाइज. वाटर, मिनरल्स एंड सॉल्ट्स आर एब्सॉर्ब्ड बाय द water, minerals and salts are absorbed by the roots. From via stem they go to the leaves. Leaves have got small holes through which it absorbs carbon dioxide. Okay, and then the leaves have got chlorophyll pigments. Okay, that chlorophyll pigments it absorbs the sunlight. Okay, and in with the help of sunlight, the carbon dioxide and water is converted into food. This is the complete process of photosynthesis, and in all this process, what is given out? Oxygen is given out. Okay, next, besides leaves के भी अलावा photosynthesis takes place in some other parts like green stems too. Already this point we have discussed in the lesson adaptations of plants, desert plants. The desert plants, they do not have leaves, but instead they have green stems. Okay. So the process of photosynthesis, instead of leaves, in some of the plants like cactus, it is completed in the part like green stems. So due to that, why it is completed in the stem? Because stems are green, and the green stems, they have chlorophyll. So in this way, not only leaves but stems also do the process of photosynthesis. Your question is asked, how does photosynthesis occur in dark red or purple colored leaves? Okay, so अब तक हमने जो discuss किया, up till now whatever we have discussed, what that only the green part of the leaf helps in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, it has got chlorophyll pigments, it absorbs the sunlight. Then what about such plants which do not have green leaves? तो जिनके leaves dark red होते हैं, purple color के होते हैं, then what about those plants? Even those plants, they also have, instead of green color, they have got pigments like anthocyanin, xanthophylls, carotenoids वगैरह ऐसे प्रकार के pigments होते हैं उनके अंदर, and those pigments they help the plant in the production of food. तो उनके अंदर भी photosynthesis का process होता ही है. Okay, but different pigments are present. Instead of chlorophyll pigments, different pigments are present, and they complete the process of photosynthesis. Okay, this is all about this point in this video. During next video, we will see about the transport system in plants. Okay, during next video.